Math Lesson 49.
Thanks for joining us for our math lesson today. Can everyone say hello? Hello! We'll do our meditation. So what are we going to think about? Heart center. Two fingers. Great job. Left hand into our lap. And we're going to close our eyes. Feel for that boom, 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 boom in your heart center. When you feel that, your heartbeat, move your right hand into your lap. Keep your mind on your heart center. Let's end our meditation with 3 breaths together. 1, 2, and 3. Slowly start to wiggle your toes. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes and slowly stand up. Everybody stand up. Stand up nice and tall. Stretch your arms out to a T. Stretch your arms up high. Put them into a T so we can touch our toes. Touch your toes. Then come up so your back is flat and you can swing your monkey arms. Very nice. Come up standing nice and tall. Let's do it one more time. Stretch your arms into a T. Stretch your fingers out. Stretch your arms up high. Stretch your fingers out. Stretch them back into a T, and we are going to touch our toes. Come up so your back is flat, and you can feel your monkey arms just swinging around. Very nice. Stand up nice and tall. Turn to a neighbor and tell that neighbor hello. Tell that neighbor hello with your other hand. Give that neighbor a high five with one hand. Give that neighbor a high five with your other hand. Very nice. Shake hands with your neighbor. Shake hands with your neighbor with your other hand. Good job. Shake two hands with your neighbor at the same time. Yeah. Okay, shake one hand with your neighbor and give your neighbor a high five with the other hand. Good job. Good job. Give your neighbor two high fives at the same time. Very nice. Give your neighbor a high five with a flip. Good. Do it nice and soft. Don't do it hard. So high five and flip your hands around. Do it one more time. Nice and soft. Nice and soft. Okay, let's do 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. Do 3 spins. Do 3 jumps. 3 claps. 3 jumps. 3 steps, but stay where you are. 1, 2, 3. 3 claps. 3 spins. Okay, very nice, friends. Take a seat. In this lesson, we're doing some more practice with word problems up to 1,000. So we're going to keep working on our equation strips, and we're going to introduce a new batch of equation strips. So we'll start with some patterned math facts. Okay, let's start with one we know. 8 plus 8. You got it. You got it. Okay. 18 plus 8. What is it? 26. Okay. One more. 28 plus 8. Good job. It's 36. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Everybody take a look at this. What number is... It's like a fact family. What number is in our ones place?
8.
Yeah. Do we see any other number in our ones place? No? In our answers we do, right? What number is in our ones place? In our answers. Good job. Yes. So when we are adding two numbers that both have an 8 in the ones place, our answer is going to have what number in the ones place? 6. Good job. So that's a fun little pattern we need to remember. I want you to think about this in your mind. Raise your hand when you know an answer. Think about it in your mind. Raise your hand when you have an idea. Okay. What do you think? Good job. What two numbers do we have in our ones place here? What two numbers in our ones place? What two numbers do we have in our ones place? 8. So what is our ones place going to have? A 6.
And 3.
46. 46. Okay, think about this in your mind. Stay quiet. Think about it in your mind. 48 plus 8. Think about it in your mind. I want you to look at this problem and see if you can think about a pattern for this. You got it. Okay. We have 2 8s in our ones place. So what's going to be in our ones place here? A 6. 56. And a 5 in our tens place. Okay. Think about this in your mind. Don't say anything. 58 plus 8. Raise your hand when you have an idea. Raise your hand. Hold on. Good job. Think about it in your mind. Think about it in your mind. Okay, everybody, what is it? Good job. What number is in our ones place? What number is in our ones place? Good job. Okay. Think about this in your mind. Think about this in your mind. Stay quiet and raise your hand when you have an idea. 7 plus 7. Think about that in your mind. Okay, what's the answer? 14. 17 plus 7. Stay quiet. Think about it in your mind. And raise your hand when you have an answer. 17 plus 7. Think about what that could be in your mind. Stay quiet. Stay quiet and think about it in your mind. Think about that in your mind. Okay, 17 plus 7. Good job. Okay, same thing. Stay quiet. Think about what 27 plus 7 is in your mind. Keep your answer to yourself. When you have an idea, raise your hands. 27 plus 7. Look at these other problems and see if you can get an idea from those problems. Okay, what do you think? 34. Very nice. What number do we have in our ones place here? What number is in our ones place here? All 7s, right? So when we have 2 7s that we're adding together in our ones place, what number is going to be in our ones place for the answer? 4. Good job. Think about the answer in your mind. 37 plus 7. Think about it in your mind. Okay. You got some time. Think about that in your mind. Okay, what do we got? 44. We have 2 7s in our ones place. So we know our answer has a 4 in the ones place. Very nice. Think about in your mind what 47 plus 7 is. Raise your hand when you have an idea. Remember that we have 2 1s here in our ones place. What do we have? 54! Very nice. 54. Okay, think in your mind. Think in your mind what 57 plus 57 is. Get that in your mind. Raise your hand when you have an idea. What do we have? Very nice. 64, a 4 in our ones place. We're going to do one more round with our 7. 67 plus 7. Think about that in your mind. Raise your hand. Raise your hand when you have an answer in your head. Think about that we have, hold on. I want you to think about, we have a 7 and a 7 in our ones place. So think about what our ones place is going to have, okay? What's our answer? 74. Very nice. You got an idea. 77 plus 7. We have all 7s. You got it? Raise your hand when you have an idea. What do we think?
84.
Very nice, friends. 84. And our last one. I bet you're going to go fast on this. Raise your hand when you have an idea. Raise your hand when you have an idea what 87 plus 7 is. 94. 7, 7 means we're going to have a 1, a 4 in our ones place, just like all of these problems. Good job. $74 minus 7. Think about what that might be. Think about what 74 minus 7 might be. Raise your hand when you have an answer. Okay, everybody, what do you think 74 minus 7 is?
64.
Not- Well, we're doing subtraction. It's okay. It's okay. It's not 64. Everybody think about it in your mind. Think about it in your mind. You can count on your fingers. Count on your fingers.
61. 64. 61.
I want everybody to try to count on their fingers. We've got a lot of close answers. We've got a lot of close answers.
61.
I heard the right answer. What is it, Pangpon? 67. Good job. 67. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, next one. 64 minus 7. Think about in your mind what that might be. Think about it in your mind. Think about that in your mind. What do you think?
57.
Very nice. 57. Okay. 54 minus 7. Think about that in your mind. Raise your hand when you have an idea. What do you think?
47.
47. Good job. Very nice. Okay, very nice. I think we're starting to notice a little pattern. We're going to talk about our pattern later, but I want you to keep thinking this way. 44 minus 7. 44 minus 7. Think about that in your mind. Think about that in your mind. Okay. 44 minus 7. What do you think?
36.
Close.
36.
Close, close. That's okay. It's okay.
37.
Help her out, friends.
37.
37. 37. Okay.
38.
34 minus 7. Think about that in your mind. Raise your hand when you have an idea. Think about that in your mind. Raise your hand when you have an idea. Look at this problem. Then look at this problem. What do you think?
27.
Very nice. 27. Okay. 24 minus 7. Think about that in your mind. Raise your hand when you have an answer. Think about that in your mind. Look at these other problems and see if you can notice a pattern. Okay, everybody, what do you think? 17. Very nice.
3, 2, 1.
Yep, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2. Very nice. We're going to keep working with our pattern on some other days. So I want you to start noticing our pattern. Good job. I'm glad it's getting easy for you. Okay, we're going to move on to our word problems with some of our strips from yesterday, the flashcards, and we have some new ones for today. So first we're going to start and finish the ones that we had yesterday. So we're going to keep practicing, same as we had yesterday. We have our word problems on our strips. We have a number with a number of animals, and we're going to either be subtracting or adding, depending on the words we see. So when we see words like take away, are we doing subtraction or addition? Subtraction. When we see words like all together, are we doing subtraction or addition? Addition. When we see words like plus, subtraction or addition? Addition. So plus is addition. What about take away? Yeah, subtraction or minus. Good job, friends. Okay, so same as yesterday, you're gonna trace your problem. You're gonna turn it over. There's gonna be more you can get. There's gonna be more you can get. And I think since our floor is wet, when you're finished, raise your hand and I'll bring you another one. So remember, you're gonna turn your card over and you're going to make a big addition or subtraction problem with your ones place all lined up, with your tens place all lined up, and your hundreds place all lined up.
And what's the first?
And you're going to write your answer on the front when you're finished. Good job. And when you're finished, you can raise your hand. I'll bring you a new one. Okay. Nope. Not finished. Did you do it on the back? That's why you need to do it on the back. Make sure you do it on the back so we can line up all our numbers. Otherwise, it's a little bit tricky when they're in a long line. Okay, very nice. Great job. Okay, here you go. I don't think there's any more cows. I think you got, oh, there's a cow. Okay, cool. I think you got all the cows yesterday, but you found some. Very nice. You like the cows? Okay, I'll save the cows for you. Very nice. Okay, you can keep that one on your desk. Here you go. We'll put them.
Nickname.
Yep, you can put your name on it. Put them underneath each other. So one number and one number. Because when they're across like this, it's very hard to see. So put 500 under your 700, the 40 under the 50, and the 5 under the 1. It's a little bit harder to do it that way. All right. How are we doing? Very nice. You can keep them at your desk. There you go. See? Very nice. Good job. And, okay, here you go. You're welcome. Ooh. When you're finished with that one, take a look at this one again. Because that's the right answer for subtraction, but we're doing addition. What are we doing? Very nice. Oh. That's okay. Keep going. You're good.
0 plus 0 equals 0.
Yep. 0 plus 0 is 0. That's right. Okay. Let's take a look. Don't forget.
Nickname.
And your answer too. Okay, let's see. Where are we? So, start over. Put your 750 here. I think it got a little confusing. Okay, here you go. You got it? Okay, so do your problem on the back.
Over here.
Okay, 750 minus 545.
Nickname.
Yes, then that's going to be a little bit easier to see all your numbers together. Okay, so start on your ones place. Okay, I'm just going to look at them. Okay, so if you have 0, can you take 1 away from 0? What's your answer? Very nice. Do your problem. Do your problem. Solve your problem. Get your answer. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Okay, here you go. Okay, here you go. Let's see. Cool. Great job. Okay, we're going to move on to our word problems. These ones are a little bit trickier. They're a little bit trickier of numbers. So we still have the same idea, a word problem on each strip, and every student is going to get one. And you're going to solve the problem. What animal do we have here? Can you see? Elephants.
This is our
Elephants. What number is this?
423.
423.
423.
Okay. And then it tells me
My name.
how many elephants have left. 66 elephants have left. Are we doing addition or subtraction? Subtraction. Good job. So 66 elephants have gone away. Okay. How do we solve this problem? Should I start over here?
No.
Should I start here?
Yeah. No.
Where should I start? Here?
Yeah.
Can I take 6 away from 3?
No.
What do I do?
Take it. 2.
Change the 2 to what?
13.
1
And 13.
and 13. Okay, I can do 13 minus 6, right? What is that? 7. Okay, over here, I have 1 minus 6. Can I do that? What do I do? What is 4 to a what? A 3? And make this an 11. Good job. 11 minus 6. I can do that, right? Yeah. 5. 5. 11 minus 6. 5. 3 minus, am I taking anything away? Nope. So 3 minus 0 is still 3. Okay? So that's how we solve those. Let's take a look at another one. What animal do we have here? Bees. How many bees do I have to start with? How many bees do I have to start with? 344 bees. When I see the word left, what does that tell me to do? Subtraction or addition? Left. Subtraction. Okay, how many bees left? What number is that?
289.
289, okay. Okay, 4 minus 9.
4 minus 9, no, can you?
I can't do that. What do I do? What do I do? Change the 4 to what?
43.
A 3. And this 4 becomes a 14. 14 minus 9, we can do that. Equals 5. Okay, tens place.
No, can do.
3 minus 8.
No, can do.
Nope, can't do that. What should I do?
Change 3 to 2.
Change this 3 to a 2.
And 13.
Very nice. 13 minus 8. I can do that. 5. 2 minus 2. 0. So my full answer is what? 55. Good job. Okay. Should we do one more, or do you think you know how to do it?
Do it.
One more?
No.
You think you can do them?
Yeah.
Okay, I think you can do them too. Here we go. So we're going to spend about 15 minutes working on our subtraction problems. Same thing. You're going to take your problem and think about if you're doing subtraction or addition. I think most of these are subtraction. And you're going to turn your paper over, solve it on the back, and then write it on the front. Bunnies, flowers, ducks. Oh, look what we have here. You got so lucky that butterfly, dinosaur, cow. Okay. So look, yeah, and take a look at your word problems. Some of them say all together. Some of them say all together. So all together, are you doing subtraction or addition?
Addition.
Yeah, when you see the word all together, you're doing addition.
Me all together.
Very nice. When you see the word take away, are you doing subtraction or addition? Take away. Subtraction or addition?
This last thing.
Subtraction.
This
Do it on the back. Turn it over. Line up your ones. Line up your tens. Line up your hundreds. Okay, we see the word all together. Plus. Yep, so turn it over, exactly. And you're going to line up all your ones, your tens, and your hundreds. So you have a math problem. Just like we did here, you're going to line everything up. Everything up, okay? Okay, so think about what you can do. Can you take 8 away from 5? Yep, they're going away. Very nice, friend. Looking good. Did you write it on the front? Yep, very good. Good job. Good job. Please. So turn it over, and you're going to solve your problem. Very nice. So all together, are we doing plus or minus? Plus. So not a minus. Plus. Okay. Yep, all together, so you're doing plus. Yeah, you got it. Very nice. So you can turn it over. Add up those dinosaurs. Butterflies. 7 minus 4? Let me take a look. Oh, remember, all together. Change your, there you go. Okay, okay, try one more time. You're very close. You're very close. I want you to do just like over here, where if you have to borrow, I want you to do it in this format so you can see everything lined up. Okay, try one more time. Okay, if you're finished, raise your hand quietly. So 0 minus 8, can we take that away?
195. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 0.
We're doing 0 minus 8. Okay, let's see. Bunnies all together. Yeah, very nice. Good job. Good job. Hold on, right here we're doing subtraction. So can we take 8 away? If I have 0, can I take 8 away? No. So we need to change this. Change the 4 to a... Okay, back out. I want you to write it out just like this. So 4 minus 7 we can't do. So what happens up top? And what does the 3 change to? For joining us for our math lesson with word problems. Can everyone say goodbye?